Hi everyone, I'm Benjamin To from M2D. You have probably seen some of our videos on our social media such as Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and even on TikTok. Today, I'm right here to showcase to you one of our recently completed high floor, high ceiling, 5-room HDB apartment in the heart of Jurong. So when you first enter the apartment, the two things you probably notice is the difference in ceiling height and the difference in floor finishes. What we did here is we actually create a shoe porch area with different floor tiles and lower height. So this is to actually segregate two different areas, the shoe porch as well as the living space. But another thing you probably notice is that shoe porch tile actually flows all the way into the kitchen area. This is just to create a sense of continuity throughout these two spaces. So during the design phase, we decided to remove this boundary wall between the kitchen and the living area. We actually decided to shift the kitchen inwards to create a shoe porch area. So this shoe porch area not only is meant to house your shoe cabinet, it also meant to relocate the bathroom entrance into the shoe porch so that whoever is going to use the bathroom will not interfere with whoever is going to use the kitchen. By shifting the kitchen inwards, in order to separate the shoe porch and the kitchen area, I decided to use the glass sliding door that is housed in this cabinet to separate the kitchen and the shoe porch area. So by reducing the size of the kitchen, what we did here is we actually make the kitchen actually much more functional. Two key features in this kitchen is, number one, we actually created a little ledge over here to give you additional tabletop space without interfering the countertop area. And number two, we actually use more functional storages such as drawers, pull-out condiment rack, and as well as more drawers. Most importantly is all the corner spaces, we actually maximize them by creating a corner space so that there will not be any dead space in the kitchen itself. So the whole design concept of this space centered around the concept of timeless minimalism and elegance. So interesting, this space has two different areas, the dining communal area and the living area. Dining area houses a place where we have our dry pantry, so that we house our daily necessity such as our water dispenser and our snacks without interfering into the kitchen. So this dining area is also a place where people get around, communicate and have fun. My client over here housed a little projector that allows their kid to have TV entertainment on this whitewash wall. Baking is also part of their entertainment and hobby. So what we have here is a baking oven as well as the necessary baking equipments. So for the living area, we actually kept it really simple and practical. So we add a little bit of features such as a little curved wall and a suspended console, so to keep everything light and afloat. So designing a bathroom is all about practicality. So for this bathroom, we kept it really simple and clean. So what we did here is we actually proposed to use more hung toilet bowl, concert mixers, and concert rain shower. So with all this incorporated, cleaning and maintaining the bathroom is actually much easier. And most importantly, using light colored wall tiles plays a part in enhancing the size of the bathroom. So for this master bedroom, we actually designed it to be multifunctional. This master bedroom double up as both the home office as well as the sleeping area. So in order to accommodate to these both specific needs, the lights installed here are adjustable to its respective requirements. Thank you for joining us in this home tour. I hope to see you in our next video and see you soon.